If you're a Rotary ID customer, you'll find the action bar to the right of the milking screen. The buttons on the action bar relate directly to the animal in focus, the watching position, which is indicated by these bold blue lines. In this case, 261 is in focus. As the platform rotates, 359 moves into focus. If you wish to apply a quick draft to the animal in focus, in this case 73, simply click Quick Draft. 73 will draft left at next appearance. If you want to add a quick event to the animal in focus, the animal in focus is now 324. Just click on one of the quick events. Enter any details asked for, record event. As you can see, 324 now has a health plan added. If the animal you wish to do something to is not directly in front of you in your watching position, is not in focus, simply click the number 261. 261 is now in focus. I can use any of the elements of the action bar on 261. Draft right. 261 will draft right at next appearance. It's also really important to remember, if you move the focus point, always go home, which will take you back to your watching position.